Hello guys, I'm back with another video, and today's question is classify fatty acids in various ways with examples of each class. So let us start without any delay. So I basically know three main types of classification of fatty acids, and they are as follows. The first one is based on the chain length, how long the fatty acid chain is. The second one is based on the number of double bonds or the degree of saturation, you can say, if double bond is present or not present. Based on that, another classification. And the third and last type of classification that we need to know is the omega classification of fatty acids, right? Okay, so these are the three main types about which we have to know. Now first, starting with based on chain length, this is fairly simple and should be easily memorized. So the first is short chain, second one is medium chain, the third and last based on chain length is the long chain fatty acids. Here is the range of carbons for C2 to C6, we can say short, C7 to C15 we can say medium, and if the length of carbon is greater than equal to 16, then we can say it as long chain fatty acids. So this first type of classification is over. Now moving to the second type of classification, which is based on the number of double bonds. Okay, so basically they can be classified broadly into mono unsaturated and polyunsaturated fatty acids, right? Polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fatty acids. Monounsaturated means one double bond is present. These are known as monoenoic acids. Polyunsaturated contain number of them. Dienoic is there, then trienoic, tetraenoic, pentaenoic, and lastly there is hexaenoic acid, right? Now each of them have several examples. For example, in monoenoic there is palmitoleic and oleic acid present. In dienoic there is linoleic acid. In trienoic there is linolenic acid. In tetraenoic there is arachidonic acid because 4 double bonds are present. In pentaenoic there is eicosa pentanoic acid. And in hexaenoic you have DHA or docosa hexaenoic acid, right? We have all heard of that in television ads also. So this is also done. Now the last type of classification that we need to know is the omega classification of fatty acids, right? So we're going to discuss it using an example. The example will be of suppose take unsaturated fatty acids, obviously, because this is only valid for unsaturated, right? Why is that? We'll understand after a moment. So let us take the example of linoleic acid, right? Linoleic acid. So the representation is as follows. C18 represents the number of carbon, 2 represents the number of double bond, and bracket X and Y represents the position of double bond. X is the nearest one and Y is the furthest. Now or omega number, right? Omega 6, omega 3, we say like that, na? So to find that number we have to use this formula. Basically this is, you have no need to memorize this. So total length of the carbon chain here, which is 18, right? And minus position of the last double bond. Here y is the double bond that is present furthest, right? So position of the last double bond, this will show the omega number, which will be equal to z, like 18 minus y is z, and we'll say it as omega z. Okay, now omega 6 and omega 3 are mainly that we know. So linoleic acid and arachidonic acids are present. And this, among these three, linoleic is omega 6, linolenic is omega 3, and arachidonic is also omega 6. It has 4 double bonds. Linoleic has 3 double bonds, and linolenic has 3 double bonds, and linoleic has 2 double bonds, right? So hope I was able to explain the question. Thank you for watching. So if you find this video useful, make sure to like, share, and also if possible please subscribe to my channel if you like my content, and follow me on Instagram and join my Telegram channel. They both have the same name, Neighborhood Medico. In my Instagram page there are notes available for various topics, and the PDF form or image form of that note is also present on my Telegram, from where you can download that. Also, if there are any mistakes in this video, make sure to let me know in the comment section.